Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. And welcome to a little weekend vlog. I thought this would be fun because I think this is going up on Friday for you guys. So you guys are heading into a weekend. You can, chill with me on my weekend because it's going to be a very chill weekend here. Connor and I are just spending a nice weekend, mostly at home. We're gonna see what comes our way. We might venture out a few times, but for the most part, we are just having a nice relaxing time at home this weekend, which sounds so good. I feel like we're still in full Coachella recovery mode, so it feels very nice to be able to just chill in bed for as long as I want. So Con and I just did a really quick mini clean out there, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna continue with that tomorrow, I think. Woke up around like 8:45 and just chilled in bed, read my book a little. I'm still reading Reminders of Him. I'm coming up on like halfway through that right now. It's not like the most exciting read that I've read so far this year, but still very much enjoying it, so can't complain. Made myself a chai here, which is hitting the spot. I think I might just chill in here because Connor's watching sports or something out there and watch the new Kardashian show because I haven't started it yet. So I want to watch that this weekend. I want to watch the Abercrombie documentary this weekend. Oh, more of The Ultimatum. There's some good junk TV to get through this weekend. But we're starting off with the queens of junk TV, the Kardashians. It is breakfast burrito time and I'm working on making these for me and Connor. Sort of winging it. I sort of have an idea in my head, but as always, I like to be able to make things up as I go, So I have bell pepper, onion, and tomato in the pan right now. Just letting those start to cook down. A little bit of salt. We have some leftover vegan ground beef, which we're gonna put in there. Let that start to heat up as well, and then we're gonna drop some eggs, some cheese, and just make it like a really yummy, creamy filling. And we're just gonna scramble them straight in here with all of the veggies. Look at this, you guys. It's looking pretty yummy already. I'm gonna throw some sour cream in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of this like vegan cheese in here as well.
Yeah,
it's like
100%.
Really nice and creamy. It's super thick. It looks sort of weird, but it tastes amazing. It's gonna make this whole thing so creamy. Just layered up my burrito here. We have the mixture we made. Then I put some salsa. Oh, there's also some sriracha ranch on the bottom. Avocado, bean sprouts, sriracha on top. We're gonna roll her and fry her in the pan.
I see the tech. I want to look up what the actual technique is.
For what?
There's some people who roll it so perfectly. That's pretty damn good right there.
Some people.
Including my
This
love.
girl right here.
This bitch.
I'm just throwing it straight back in the same pan and I'm just gonna let it get a little brown. Help it close up a little. All right, we're about to do the most crucial part, the cut. I'm always so nervous. Look at that.
Wow. Professionally
Yum.
done, Jillian.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
Well done, my love.
Connor's is looking so good too. Perfect little crisp there. I love it. So pretty. Okay, girlfriend, I see you.
Right?
Looking
At
good.
home breakfast burritos.
Oh, yeah. Okay, taste test.
Look at these bad boys though.
I know,
Jill
they're
just like
so good.
quietly stepped up to the plate and just delivered. Home
Had to be
runs.
done. Okay.
Oh my god.
Let's try a bite. That's so yummy. Oh yeah.
That tastes amazing.
So good. Loving it.
10 out of 10, Jill.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yes. Connor and I are getting ready to head out now. We're just gonna go for a little bike ride and hit up a couple places, grab some dinner while we're out, I think. Just have like a chill little rest of the day here, next couple hours.
Little date day.
Out in the world, yes, before we come back to our cave here. Never to leave again.
Hunker down in the cave.
Exactly. But yeah, it's such a nice day out. We thought a little bike ride, maybe some oysters,
Maybe some
Dudley's
ice cream.
Market, a little drink,
A little ice cream maybe?
ice cream. We're
Treats.
setting ourselves up for a real good day.
Yeah, exactly.
Real good day.
Taking it so on me.
Thank you very much. Okay, first stop is Big Dean's here in Santa Monica, over like by the pier. We just rode our bikes over here, which was really nice.
beer.
Yeah, Connor got a large beer.
I didn't
and
realize
it
it
is
was
large,
this large.
versus like my rosé. It's so funny, but cheers.
Cheers, baby.
Happy Saturday. Next location of the day is Blue Plate Oysterette, and we are of course getting s'mores. We're only getting a half dozen because they're very expensive here. But we just wanted a little taste, and we are doing a big seafood dinner, so we didn't need that much. For our drink, we each got an Empress 75, which is like a French 75, but with the Empress gin, which is the only gin that I like, to be honest.
Haven't tried Empress gin.
It's so good. Highly recommend, even if you're not into gin. I don't drink like G&Ts or anything like that, and Empress gin is so good. Although I do love a French 75, which is just normal gin as well, but still, I think the Empress gin is the way to go for those new gin drinkers out there.
I don't think you've had enough gin drinks to fully rule it out.
That's fair. I've just have had gin and tonics, so I know that I don't like the taste of the gin.
Yeah.
So it needs to be a drink that covers up the taste of the gin.
Empress gin is a little different taste.
It is, yeah. It's a beautiful purple color. It's so pretty. Cheers.
Cheers, baby. A little Prosecco.
A little Prosecco. The song is from our playlist, eh?
Yeah.
People keep playing our songs places. Thank you so much.
Sure. So the sauces that we have to go with the oysters.
I think we're okay
We'll
with
just
it.
go for it.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you. And just like that, the oysters arrived. They are looking so good. One last stop before dinner. We checked into dinner. We have like a 45-minute long wait, so we're grabbing one quick drink at Venice Beach Bar, our favorite bar. It was very nice going for... You want to screaming? It was very nice going for a bike ride because it's such a beautiful day out. And we're going for an amazing dinner at Dudley's Market. I'm going to bring you along for it. It's been a very good date day. We're at dinner now, and we have a little spicy crudo. This over here is like a scallop crudo.
Give him just the vibe check. Here we go.
It's so good in here. It is the next day, and Connor and I are out to hit the Sunday farmers market. We're actually switching it up this week. We are trying a different farmers market, going to the Mar Vista one. So that's why we're driving there instead of walking. Heard really good things about this. I just thought it'd be fun to check out another farmers market that happens on a Sunday. So
Check out Alex and Kate's stop in the yard.
exactly, yeah, this is one that they usually go to. So yeah, it sounds like they have a really different variety of things than our farmers market has, so I think it'll be fun to check out some new stuff. And yeah, the plan today is just like get a bunch of snacks and stuff from the farmers market that we can have for lunch, and then we're going to make pasta for dinner tonight because we picked up some fresh pasta earlier this weekend, so
That
very
pasta is
excited.
going to be amazing.
Yeah, it's going to be so good. I'm very, very pumped. Man, did we buy a lot of stuff today, you guys.
Get excited. This is a good haul.
Oh my.
All right, Alex and Kate. Your farmer's market is no joke.
Yeah, it's pretty good. We have a lot of stuff in here, you guys. First up, mussels. Probably going to be using these tonight for a pasta dish that we're going to make. Very excited. And then we also got some ceviche for snacking today.
Let's see. We got wild California red rock cod. Tomato, onion, lemon, lime, mint, cilantro, pepper, and salt.
Ooh, that sounds so good. Very excited. They had like a little Japanese stand there as well. Actually quite a few, and there were tons of places selling ramen broths. I didn't get any this time, but definitely gonna wanna try that at some point. But we picked up some kimchi from one of them. Very excited about that. And then also some miso paste because
We've been needing this.
Ralph stopped carrying miso paste and I haven't been able to find it anywhere else yet. So very, very excited. Guys, we're like we haven't even started touching everything we got. We got so much stuff. Okay, sharp cheddar.
Extremely sharp.
Apparently
she said.
extremely sharp.
From a great little
Oh yes, she was so
quirky-
sweet, Diane. She was very quirky, very funny. Kept telling us how adorable we were, and then would be like, "You two are adorbs." That's short for adorable. Love her. So got some cheddar as well as some fresh burrata from her, which is gonna be so good. Stopped at a little like sort of Greek stand, got some pita bread as well as a couple different spreads, although now I cannot remember what he said these were because they don't have labels on them, but they're gonna be delicious. Got some olive leaf wrapped olive, I don't know what these are called, but you know. And then some pita chips, which again, we're gonna use with the ceviche, our dips. It's gonna be really good.
Our cat is the sweetest.
Grapefruit for Con, and more fish. Got some salmon, which looks, yes, so good. Love that. As well as some mini scallops. Yeah, they look so good, just little mini guys. I feel like this is a huge haul. Avocados, got 3 of them from a stand there. Got some just spring lettuce mix for salads this week. And I think this is the last thing, some fresh strawberries. Again, I wanted these for a salad recipe that I saw, which just looks so good. So that's the haul, you guys. It was a big one. It was a big one, but so good. I'm gonna try one of these strawberries. Mmm. Oh my god.
Oh my god, and it's your friend
Amanda.
Amanda.
Yeah. Okay, these strawberries are so good. Mmm. They're ridiculous. No comment?
What are, sorry?
The strawberries.
Oh wow, look at these strawberries.
They're huge. Rinse it first.
Yeah. Sprint Molly.
Oh, Molly, that's gone now, eh? Oh my god! I just parkoured off the side of the couch. So good, right?
Love it.
So fresh. Okay, we're gonna put all this away and then probably start snacking on some stuff.
Gotta start snacking.
Snacking. Alrighty, this is what we're starting with here today. We have our ceviche, our 2 different dips here, our olive leaf rolls. I don't know what the heck to call these. Some pita chips to use with all of it. And just like that, we are getting ready to make dinner. Right now we're just cleaning the mussels that we picked up from the market today. Making sure we got all the seaweed and gunk and stuff off of them because they are super, super fresh. Ooh, I'm so excited for these. They're gonna be so good. And then we have this pasta and sauce. These are from Dopo Lavoro, which is a like fresh Italian shop attached to Tironi's here in LA. We used to have one of these in downtown and we would go there all the time. So we were so excited when we found one at the West Hollywood location. So we got the tagliatelle, which is so good. As you can see, there's like 4 big portions here, and then their ragu bolognese, which is also amazing. And this is what the dinner's gonna be. Check out these mussels, you guys. We just finished steaming them in our sauce. They're looking so good. Our pasta's gonna be done in about 2 minutes. And this meal is complete. So, so easy for like a sort of luxe feeling meal. I'm loving it. Got the pasta here. I think we're going to do a scoop of the fresh burrata that we got today on top. Just cheese it up a little. Why not add fresh burrata on top of your pasta?
Right.
The opportunity is there. Seems like
We
the best
have the
way.
technology.
Exactly. Like, hi. Oh my gosh, how good does this look? I'm so excited.